Imagine a home that stays comfortable, saves energy, and takes care of itself automatically. That's exactly what the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is designed to do. This smart thermostat can help you save up to 26% per year on heating and cooling costs. While keeping your home comfortable all day long. It's Energy Star certified and comes with a smart sensor that adjusts the temperature in the rooms that matter most, reducing hot and cold spots. The ecobee Premium also includes a built-in air quality monitor. It alerts you when air quality is poor, gives helpful tips to improve it, and reminds you when it's time to change your air filter. Designed with premium materials and advanced engineering, the thermostat features a large, vibrant display with a modern, cinematic interface. It also includes advanced occupancy sensing, so it knows when you're home and adjusts automatically. More than just a thermostat, ecobee Premium acts as a home monitoring hub. It can detect smoke alarms, alert you to possible break-ins when armed, and notify you of sudden temperature drops that could cause damage. It also comes with a built-in smart speaker, letting you choose between Siri or Alexa. You can control your home with your voice and even listen to music, podcasts, or Spotify directly from the thermostat. Installation is easy, and it's compatible with most HVAC systems. It even includes a power extender kit for homes without a C-wire. If a door or window is left open, ecobee can alert you and automatically pause heating or cooling to save energy and money. If you want smarter comfort, better air quality, and lower energy bills, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is an excellent upgrade. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability, and make your home truly intelligent.